case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
United States V2 plastic drums, more or less of an article of food, is a 1993 case that put into question the very definition of a food additive. The case, heard before the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit, revolved around the Food and Drug Administration's FDA treatment of black currant oil, BCO, a dietary supplement derived from black currant berries. The FDA had seized 2 drums of BCO, arguing that it met the criteria of a food additive not recognized as safe. As per law, to be designated as a food additive, a substance must not only be added to food but also must change its characteristics. The FDA asserted that BCO wasn't generally recognized as safe, hence it was subject to seizure under the law. However, the district court challenged the FDA's interpretation of the definition of a food additive. The court ruled, in an unprecedented move, that the mixture of BCO with glycerin and gelatin did not make BCO a food additive, because these components did not interact with or change the substance in question. They simply served as a container. The federal court was appealed to by the FDA. The court, however, affirmed the decision of the lower court, stating that just because black currant oil was mixed with gelatin and glycerin, it did not qualify as a food additive. Citing the FDA's failure to prove the oil's harmful effects, the court clarified that the onus for such evidence lies with the FDA. Furthermore, the court asserted that the labeling requirements of the Act adequately serve to enlighten the public about the potential benefits and risks of consuming BCO. This case underscored the burden of proof for proving the safety of food substances added to food, shifting it from the government to processors, and shone a spotlight on the arbitrary classification of substances based on their marketing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class